Hey guys, I just wanted to show you the super glue I use for gluing 3D parts together. I've stumbled across Magic Chems CA Glue with the Activator spray, and it works great. I'm going to do a little demo here showing you gluing pieces together out of PLA filament. The first one here, I'll put a little glue on and put that other piece on it. And then on the other one, I'm going to put a little dot on one piece, and then on the other piece, you just give it a little spray of the activator. That's all it takes. And then as soon as you bond these together, it will instantly solidify in just a few seconds, and that's it. It's not coming apart. Whereas without the activator, I can still move these around a little bit. You can just let this sit and it will harden. But I found, especially on doing a lot of projects, when I need something just done, being able to spray the activator spray and have it rock solid and not come apart instantly saves a lot of time. You don't have to worry about the product slipping down or anything like that, as it just bonds instantly. But you can, it kind of gives you both options there. If you want something to be able to move around, or you need reposition, you can use it without the activator, and it will harden in just several minutes. But the activator makes it happen almost instantly. So check out the link on the blog post on my website, 4053d.com, and I hope you enjoyed this video.